Hello and welcome to the barbecue. So I decided to make some burgers. I heated up the griddle, put some onion on there, and I folded the bacon so I could put them on burgers. I got some beef patties, they're 3 ounces each, and some sausage patties, some eggs and some cheese. Frying the eggs in some rings and getting the onions translucent. Spacing out the burgers with a lot of space because I'm gonna smash and leaving enough room. That means I'm gonna be able to smash them down to a real thin burger. Um, I'm gonna leave them on the griddle for about 30 seconds to a minute to give it a little bit of a crust, and then I'm gonna use my great grandmother's hamburger smasher. This is what she used back in the 20s, and some parchment paper, just smashing them down. And the point of this is to get them as thin as I possibly can. I think they're somewhere in between an eighth and a quarter of an inch, and I think that should be good enough. After I've smashed them, I'm just going to remove the paper and we can see the thickness or the thinness of them. We're going to leave them until they start bleeding on top, or the moisture is coming out on top, and that's when it's time to flip them. Takes about 2 minutes, and this is what they're looking like. This is the pork burgers or sausage patties. I'm gonna leave the link for the sausage recipe that I used to make sausage out of pork, ground pork, which was really nice. Okay, so once they've fried about a minute on the other side and cooked through, time to put some cheese on. I'm gonna put some plastic cheddar on the pork ones and some plastic mozzarella on the beef ones, just like so. Okay, everything is fried up and it's time to build the burger. I'm going to use this type of bun today. It's a hellacotta, and on top of that I'm going to put a little bit of lettuce. Then I'm going to put a little bit of sauce. You can watch one of my other videos if you want to know. It's just mayo, some hot sauce, and some relish. Then a beef patty. On top of that, a slice of tomato, a fried egg. Hopefully this is going to melt out. 2 pieces of bacon. And on top of that, we're gonna put the pork sausage, the sausage patty, topping that off with a little bit of onion, and then it's time to take a picture. Isn't she pretty? Okay, there we go. Quickie with a burger, or a quick burger. Let me try this. This is what it looks like. It's really, really nice. The sausage comes through so good. Oh, I need to eat this. Thank you for watching. Bye.